Today I'm comparing ClickUp AI Notetaker and Fathom using outputs from the same real meeting. I'll show what each one produces, how it fits into a ClickUp workflow, and how pricing works, so you can pick the one that matches how your team actually runs meetings. Here's the plan. We'll start with the actual outputs, then workflow fit, integrations and sharing, pricing, and finally a simple decision guide. Hi, I'm Hina, founder of iDivisionist and a systems consultant. I help businesses streamline their operations. Let's get started. ClickUp AI Notetaker is designed to capture meeting notes inside ClickUp, so notes can connect directly to tasks, docs, and ongoing project work. Fathom is a dedicated meeting assistant focused on recording, transcription, summaries, highlights, and review, especially with time spans and shareable clips. Let's start with what ClickUp produced from a meeting. You'll typically see an overview at the top, followed by key takeaways, then next steps with owners, and then the topic breakdown. And then there is a transcript. In this example, the notes capture the main themes: invoice processing, error handling, Monday.com, day dependencies, centralizing case notes, personal task boards, renewal process cleanup, and the idea of generating plans using AI. What stands out here is the meeting minute structure. It's easy to scan, and it already feels like something you can drop into an operational workflow. Now here's the output from Fathom from the same meeting. In chronological order, you get topic sections with timestamps, and then action items that link directly to the moment in the recording. This is useful if you regularly need to jump back to the exact part of the conversation, confirm what was said, or share a specific clip with a teammate. You'll also notice that Fathom surfaces a lot of the questions asked during the meeting that can be helpful for context, especially in longer calls. If you add general to the setting, you will see all the details of the meeting with all key points being covered. Key takeaways are there with the meeting purpose and all the topics. If your priority is a clean set of minutes with the next steps that naturally belong inside your work system, ClickUp's format fits well. If your priority is reviewing the meeting like a timeline with quick jumps, proof points, next steps, action items, and shareable moments, Fathom's format fits well. Next is workflow fit, where your team will actually spend time after the meeting. With ClickUp AI Notetaker, the meeting artifacts live in ClickUp alongside your projects, tasks, and docs, so it's naturally close to execution. You can see a tab Meeting Notes under your docs and a list of all of the meetings. With Fathom, your meeting library lives in Fathom. The strength is review, searching across recordings, and sharing specific sections. The trade-off is that it's another place to manage meeting knowledge, unless you connect it back into ClickUp. If you like Fathom's meeting capture but want ClickUp as a system of record, you can automate that. I have a separate walkthrough showing how to send Fathom meeting notes into ClickUp using Zapier, creating a ClickUp task in a specified list and a ClickUp doc in a specified location. I'll link that separately. Integration-wise, ClickUp is strongest when your workflow is already built in ClickUp, tasks, docs, assignees, and project dashboards in one place. Fathom is focused on video meeting capture and connects well into tools like Slack, Notion, CRMs, plus automation options to Zapier or Make. Now let's look at pricing because the cost model is different. For ClickUp, there are two parts. First, the ClickUp AI add-on. This is usually $7 per user per month. And then the AI Notetaker is priced per workspace based on a pool of meeting hours. So on a business plan, I can see a free allowance of 5 hours. After that, the hourly bundles are like 60 hours for $12 a month, 120 hours for $22, 240 hours for $40, and so on. For Fathom, the pricing is per user per month. On the free plan, now they allow you to record 5 meetings with all of the AI features. Premium is $16 per user per month, Teams is $15, Business is $20 per user per month. Always check the website for the latest pricing. So the big difference is ClickUp Notetaker hours are shared at the workspace level while Fathom scales by seats. Here's a simple way to decide. ClickUp AI Notetaker is a strong fit when your team wants meeting notes to land where work already happens. You want meeting minutes with next steps that are easy to assign and track, and you prefer fewer tools in your stack. Fathom Pro is a strong fit when you need fast meeting review with time spans. You frequently share key moments or clips, or you want a dedicated meeting library with strong search across recordings. And if you want Fathom's meeting capture while keeping ClickUp as execution hub, that's where the automation route is useful, where meeting creates a ClickUp task and a ClickUp doc automatically. Hope this helps. Thank you for watching.